2005, Hurricane Katrina took out 1,000 mobile phone cells. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey took out 3/4 of the Puerto Rican mobile phone cells. There's an urgent need for some form of text messaging to send accurate information. The answer? Rattlegram. Want to find out more? Carry on watching. In this video, we'll have a look at what Rattlegram is. We'll have a look at how it works, we'll have a look at the software, and we'll have a look at some examples. First of all, what is Rattlegram? It's a text messaging, and the idea is that you can send it from your mobile phone through any radio whatsoever, no wires needed, and it does it purely by audio. So on your Rattlegram it comes up like a text messaging, simple text messaging. You type in what you want, you press send, and you'll get a noise out of it very similar, I suppose, to FT8. You press the toe button, transmit it down the microphone out of the other end. As long as you've got a nice clear signal, your phone will automatically receive it. I say at the end of the video there's some examples, so you'll be able to put your phone up against the television and receive the messages that I've sent you. Let's have a look at it working. So first of all, let's have a look at how we're going to send some messages. Let's have a look at the software on the phone. Then we'll have a go at actually sending the messages with a radio. And then there's some examples at the end for you to have a go at to receive. It's so simple that within minutes you could be doing it yourself, and there's no reason why you couldn't be doing it down, say, 2 meters using the any mode part of the band. All you need to do is download the app. So let's have a quick look at that first. The first thing you need to do is to download the app. As you can see from here, I've already done that. When I first turn on the app, you notice there's nothing there. But down at the bottom it actually tells me it's listening. And it's waiting for an incoming call. And you'll hear a sound like this one. And there, it's received a message. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was as white as snow. Now let's have a look what else it will do. Well, I've already put my call sign in, so I can press the bell and it pings my call sign. Plus, new message, there we go, there's an empty one. I can very easily just tap that and type in any message I want, some absolute garbage, transmit, and there we go, G6PNH has transmitted some absolute garbage. I can as well paste it in a normal way that you would paste, excuse my wonky phone, and then transmit. What else will it do? also got a parrot mode. You can enable the parrot mode, go back again, go back into your parrot mode. You can tell it what delay you want. I said 2 seconds. That means now when I get an incoming call, which that means now when I get an incoming call, there we go, and it retransmits it 2 seconds later. Okay, it's easy to reset, back into the parrot mode and disable. Okay, what else will it do? One thing that you will need, if you're going to use it on any amateur radio stuff, is to put your call sign in. You can see mine's already in there. Press OK. We'll just give it a ping, and there we can see it sending. So it's as simple as that. All I'll leave you to do is play with the software a bit. Now we'll do an example just to see how well it does work. The idea behind Rattlegram is that you can transmit and receive on any radio. You don't need any wires connecting the two. So I've got mine here, and I've set it on 144525, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to call CQ. So all I will do, it's set on low power as well, so all I'm going to do is press the transmit button, detransmit, and I've sent a CQ call out. Now let's have a look at the other end, and let's see how it receives. I've got the Quansheng set up to receive any messages. So here we go with the CQ call that we sent earlier. There we go, there is a better view, just received. Sent by the Baofeng, received by the Quansheng. And so there you have Rattlegram in a nutshell. I also want to point out that they were genuine CQ calls. I also put out voice CQ calls before and after. Now, there was nobody come back on Rattlegram, which is not surprising as nobody seems to use it. That's a shame, because it's something else we can play with, something else we can have a go with, and it's dead easy to use as long as you've got a nice clear signal. But it would be interesting to see how bad the signal has to be before there's a failure. Anyway, have a go at it, download the app. At the end, just now, we're going to give you some examples. Put your phone up towards the television, have a go, see what you receive, and on the third one, you let me know whether it's decoded and tell me what the message was in the comments. So, thank you for watching, and until next time, 73s.